A high-quality generator always relies on genuine and solid materials. Today, let's visit the offshore production workshop of Dingbo alternator.
A great alternator starts with a robust housing. Dingbo alternator frames are constructed from thickened steel plates. Key wells are fully welded and polished. The housing undergoes sandblasting and multi-layer anti-corrosion coating treatment. This sturdy casing shields the internal copper windings, reduces vibration and noise, and prevents rust and deformation in humid, dusty outdoor environments.
All of alternator merged with Dingbo generators adopt 100% pure copper windings.
Pure copper delivers superior conductivity, lower resistance, stable thermal performance and steady power output under prolonged and continuous loads, preventing alternator burnout and power attenuation.
For the unique frame structure, we consistently use genuine China Shagang steel materials.
Multiple stamping and strengthening processes produce smooth, burr-free stator surfaces. Dingbo employs meticulous craftsmanship to lay a solid foundation for reliable quality.
Every Dingbo alternator is built in robust materials and precise craftsmanship, supplying long-lasting, trouble-free generator sets to clients all over the world.